Alright, we're gonna be shooting 5 pane glass. So 1 layer plexi, another layer glass, plexi, and then the last layer glass. We're gonna start from pistol rounds and go work our way up to rifle rounds. First round's gonna be a 22. I have a fucking crazy 16-inch barrel. Alright, go.
Oh, look at that.
It hit.
Did you hit it?
It hit, but it didn't do nothing. I mean, it just stopped right on the surface.
It broke up right on the top.
Right on the surface.
You can see the.
You see the?
Yeah.
You can see the lead from the bullet.
Cut it?
Yeah.
Go. All right, next one's gonna come out of a 380. Laid right on top of it. Didn't even go through, man. Stopped on the surface. You can see the lead just hitting there. It's flat on the backside.
Flat on the backside.
Oh yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing. Next one's gonna be a 9mm coming out of the P80. It's gonna be straight ball ammo. Let's see how this one goes.
William, line up your big time angle.
Hey. Again, nothing. 9mm stopped right on the surface. There's nothing in the back, Steven?
Flush.
Flush?
Yep. Not even a dent.
You could see all the metal just sitting, but it's
on.
It's doing pretty good. All right, next one's gonna be out of the SIG hollow points.
It's a clone of the one that they used in World War II. This is a collector's one.
Nothing again.
A 40? Yeah, 45.
Straight on the surface, nothing in the back. It looks like it's barely going in, maybe the top layer of the glass, and it probably got to the plexi that's underneath the glass. All right, next one's gonna be out of a Gen 27 Glock straight ball ammo. Bounce back. Flat, yeah. Let's go see what it looks like up here. Nothing? Not even a bow, nothing. Where was that one? This one?
That one right there.
Damn, it's just stopping on the top. Yo. It's just stopping on the top, man.
Okay, I got a 1911 45. Try this one.
Jam.
What the heck?
Go.